Do you know the story of the 67-year-old lady who, for years and years, wasted hundreds of dollars on medicine for her arthritis, acid reflux, and all sorts of other long-lasting problems before she stumbled upon a solution for less than $2 that turned her life around in just a few short weeks? Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what happened to Maria. She's one of my patients. And like many of you, she struggled with achy joints, stomach acid, and that constant tiredness that just gets worse over the years. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret that changed her life, and the lives of hundreds of my clients over 50, helping them save thousands of dollars on medicine and get back to doing things they thought they'd lost forever. I'm not talking about an expensive drug or some new fancy treatment. I'm talking about something you probably already have in your home, and that costs next to nothing. In this special video, I'm going to show you 13 ways, all backed by science, that this everyday item can help ease your arthritis pain in under a week, fight off heartburn in just 60 seconds, boost your physical strength by 20%, help you cut down on prescription drugs, and so much more. So listen up. Around the 7-minute mark, I'll share the most amazing use of all, one your own doctor might not even know. A use that new studies show could even help people with cancer. I'm Dr. Julio. Today I'm here to help you feel better using the most ignored secret in alternative medicine. Before we go on, please give this video a like. And subscribe to the Secret Wellness channel. If you don't subscribe to the channel, you probably won't hear from me again. If you're already subscribed, awesome. You'll keep boosting your health every day. Open your pantry and take out a box of baking soda. Looks harmless, right? But 8 out of 10 of you who have this at home don't even know you're overlooking one of the world's best natural remedies. Just pennies a dose, always in our kitchens, yet so overlooked. How many times have you only used it for baking or to freshen up a stinky fridge? But what if I told you that this everyday white powder can do a whole lot more for your health? It's something so common that lots of experts think it's the most overlooked medicine on earth. Today, I'm going to show you how this miracle powder can help you in ways you've never even thought of. I'm not just talking about simple household tricks, but about real benefits that science has proven. Let's start by talking about how it cleanses. Baking soda, when it's dissolved in water, becomes alkaline and helps to fight off acids both inside and outside your body. A bath with baking soda can soothe irritated skin and reduce itching and calm skin irritations by removing impurities and leaving you feeling completely fresh. But that's not all. Inside your body, baking soda can help make your blood and urine less acidic, helping to get rid of toxins. Get this. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology showed that baking soda helps slow down how fast chronic kidney disease gets worse. Not bad for something that costs just a few bucks, don't you think? Now let's talk about your mouth. Have you ever tried rubbing a little bit of baking soda on your teeth? The clean feeling is amazing. That's because it works like a gentle scrubber that helps get rid of surface stains from coffee, tea, and other foods. Plus, because it's alkaline, it fights the acids in your mouth that help bacteria grow, the kind that cause cavities, gum problems, and bad breath. A study in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry showed that toothpastes with baking soda are much better at removing plaque and making teeth whiter. A brighter, healthier smile with something we already have. And who here gets heartburn? Raise your hand. Well, the answer is right in your pantry. 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed in a glass of water can quickly calm down the extra stomach acid that causes that awful burning feeling. Doctors know that baking soda works fast as an antacid, and a review in the Gastroenterology and Hepatology journal confirms it works. Now let's get to the really amazing things baking soda can do. Did you know it's a powerful natural way to fight off fungus? Fungal infections are a bother and can often be embarrassing. Whether it's athlete's foot, ringworm, or other similar issues, baking soda makes the skin less friendly for fungus. It weakens their outer shell, making it hard for them to live and grow. This isn't just some old folktale, it's science. A study in the journal Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution stopped 80% of the fungus types they tested from growing. Pretty cool, huh? But the good news doesn't stop there. For folks with urinary tract infections, baking soda can be a real lifesaver. Mixed with water, and if you drink a little bit, it can make your pee less acidic, making it a tougher place for bacteria to grow, and that cuts down on that nasty burning feeling when you pee. So, in Japan, researchers studied 33 women who kept getting urinary tract infections, and they were given baking soda as part of their treatment. After just 4 weeks, many said their symptoms were much better. But remember, this isn't a replacement for medical treatment, especially for serious cases. Ever had those nasty canker sores in your mouth? You know, those little sores that can make even talking a real pain? Well, baking soda can help with that too. A simple rinse with some baking soda, just half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water, can calm down the swelling, make it hurt less, and help it heal faster. It's good at fighting germs and swelling. This helps keep the sore clean and stops lots of bacteria from growing. But now, here's the part that will get all you sports lovers excited. Did you know that baking soda can actually help you do better when you're exercising? During tough workouts, your muscles make lactic acid that causes that burning feeling we all know. Baking soda acts like a natural buffer, neutralizing this extra acid and helps you work out longer and harder. A big study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that athletes who took baking soda didn't get tired as quickly, and they kept performing at their best for longer. So, next time you go to the gym, try mixing a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it about an hour before you work out. You might be amazed by the results. But I'm curious, which of these baking soda benefits surprised you the most? Comment below and share your experience. And if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss the next wellness secrets I've got for you. Let's keep going on this amazing journey to learn all about baking soda. If you thought the good things about it were already super cool, get ready to be super surprised. It's a kidney helper. Hard to believe, but it's true. Baking soda is really changing how we deal with kidney problems. Just imagine this. People who took baking soda every day saw their kidneys get worse, a whole lot slower, which helped keep them away from needing dialysis. It's like having a little bodyguard, just for your kidneys, that helps balance out the acid in your blood, when your kidneys can't do that job by themselves anymore. Arthritis beaten? Here's a scientific discovery from 2018. A simple glass of water with baking soda could be the hidden weapon against inflammation. Scientists were surprised when they saw how this traditional remedy actually communicates with your immune system, turning off the fire of inflammation that eats away at your joints. Gout? That's a scary one. Those painful crystals feel like they're poking right into your joints. Baking soda melts those crystals away, just like snow in the sun. It changes things from being too acidic to more balanced. And then, like magic, your body gets rid of that uric acid all by itself, and that really sharp pain just disappears. Got a cold? Ugh, what a pain, right? While everyone else is rushing off to the drugstore, you might already have your secret helper right there in your kitchen. Baking soda clears out all that yucky mucus like a super strong wind, and just a simple gargle can get rid of germs and the sore feeling all at once. The most amazing discovery? Well, get ready because baking soda could really become a weapon in the fight against cancer. Tumors, they love acidic places, but when scientists put baking soda into mice with breast cancer, they saw something amazing. The tumors got less acidic and the cancer cells surprisingly became much easier for chemotherapy to attack. Want to know the celebrity secret for always fresh armpits? Forget those chemical deodorants. Baking soda zaps odors and soaks up wetness better than any fancy stuff, and science backs this up. But hold on, this superhero has a weak spot. If you have kidney trouble, high blood pressure, tummy problems, are pregnant or breastfeeding or have breathing problems, talk to your doctor before you jump into this baking soda adventure. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want more tips on how to take care of your health, check out the next video. I'll put it up on the screen for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Secret Wellness channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Your health is your most precious treasure and I'm here to help you take care of it.